All right, we're going to demonstrate the installation of an M20 blind bolt into an 1 3/4 thickness of steel. We've got a 3/4 inch plate and a 1 inch plate that simulates this anchor being installed in a cell tower. The anchor's got a grip range of 1/2 inch to 2.5 inch, so it's got a wide grip range. So we're going to use a standard battery-powered impact wrench. Obviously, if you use electric, it's going to be a little bit more powerful. But this is the convenience of this bolt: is you can use a standard battery-powered impact wrench if you happen to be off the ground.